Hi, my name is Joshua Wong. This is the first episode of FastView. It will be short and simple product reviews. Let's save some time and see what do we have here. This is the recently launched Redmi Note 10. Here's the Redmi Note 10 TPU case, 33W wired fast chargers right out of the box, USB-A to USB-C cable, SIM ejector. The Redmi Note 10 is a mid-range with glass sandwich front and back, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 678 processor, up to 6GB of RAM and 128GB storage. It has IP53 splash-proof resistant, dual stereo speakers, 3.5mm audio jacks, dual SIM card with micro SD card slot, and an IR blaster. Despite being the base models, the Redmi Note 10 also features a bright and beautiful 6.43-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display. There's a central hole punch that houses a decent 13MP front cameras. Paired with a 50-100mAh batteries and support 33W wired fast charging, you get a 50% battery with just 20 minutes of charge. A fingerprint scanner is mounted on the side, which is fast and responsive. There are a total of 4 cameras on the rear, 48MP main cameras, 8MP ultra-wide, 2MP depth sensors, and a 2MP macro lens. It can record up to 4K at 30fps. Here are some photos that were taken by the Redmi Note 10. Coming to performance, here are some results from Antutu, Androbench, and Geekbenchmark. This is one capable mid-range device that offers great display, performance, and camera capability for its price point. So here come the things that I like and dislike about the Redmi Note 10. It has a great AMOLED display that no other brand can offer at this price point, super loud dual stereo speakers, matte finishings which is nice to touch, and also less fingerprint magnets, and also provided 33W super fast charging. The only thing that I dislike is the weird silver trim selfie cameras that looks distracting. The Redmi Note 10 is available now from RM699 and come in 3 colors options: Lake Green, Pebble White, and Onyx Grey. For more short and straightforward tech reviews like this, do consider to subscribe, hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.